This is for those who are still wondering what the Google Pixel 4a looks like. But something else also caught my attention in this picture, and that is the price. So this pops up the big question: will the budget Pixel 4a outshines the Pixel 4 flagship? Can it? But wait, one way to find out is to do a comparison between these two Google smartphones. So let's get the comparison started. The Google Pixel 4a screen is slightly bigger than that of the Pixel 4. However, the Pixel 4 has more display features than the 4a. For example, the Google Pixel 4a comes with 60Hz refresh rate, while the flagship Pixel 4 comes with 90Hz refresh rate, a higher refresh rate. And on that poncho on the left side of the Pixel 4a is the 8MP selfie camera, while the flagship Pixel 4 has dual selfie cameras. At the rear cameras, the Pixel 4a features a single 12MP sensor that can take great pictures, just like what we saw in last year Google Pixel 3a. But still, that doesn't change the fact that it still doesn't measure up to the dual rear cameras found in the Pixel 4, a 12MP wide sensor camera plus 16MP telephoto camera. Moreover, the hardware part clearly places these two smartphones to their respective leg. This is what I mean. The Pixel 4a is powered by Snapdragon 730 chipset, which is a budget one. The flagship Pixel 4, on the other hand, is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, and that is a flagship chipset. However, both smartphones runs Android 10 out of the box, and these two also have 6GB of RAM plus the 5GB of internal storage. Battery wise, the Pixel 4a wins with 3000 plus mAh battery size, as suggests the unpleasant 2800 mAh featured in the Pixel 4. So what do you think? Do you think the Google Pixel 4a outshines the flagship Google Pixel 4? You can quickly drop your opinion in the comment section below, and please, if you find this video helpful, you can give the video a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button below.